What's up, Dream Media family? This is Zach and Ryan from SI, and we have something really cool and exciting to share with you. If you've been following along with the Dream Media YouTube, you've seen us put in a lot of these black diamond screens from SI, which are the best of the best ambient light rejecting screens on the market. We're changing the game, okay? And today, we're gonna get into all the details after the intro. Let's go! Welcome back, Dream Media family. I'd like to toss it off to Ryan to tell us about this new and exciting product. You made the black diamond better.
You asked for it. So.
Tell me more. What's going on?
So every ALR screen on the planet, every single one of them, including all the different ones we've developed over the years, has an Achilles heel. And it's usually sparkle, it's usually a viewing cone issue, it's usually a little bit of texture, hotspot, etc. We wanted to make the first ALR screen that gives you the experience of a white screen in a dark room. And we literally did it finally. It only took me 22 years.
Only 22 years? That's it?
Black Diamond Fusion is literally a white screen that is ALR and makes true black.
Is it a 1.0 gain?
Perfect white, 1.1.
What?
We gave you a little more.
Okay, a little extra. We'll take it.
160 degree viewing cone, zero hotspot, and most importantly, which is typically impossible, no texture at all. So for the purest,
it's not a lenticular screen?
Nope.
What?
Nope.
Tell me the tech. I gotta know what's going on.
We started with the reflector.
Okay.
Old reflectors that we used back in the day to really get that punch, but still giving you that black image, had to be aluminum or they had to be some sort of metal. And to do that, we get a lot of gain out of it, but with the latest projectors and laser and things of that nature, you get texture or reflection off the lens. So now you had to go back to the basics and literally start with a white screen and find a way to lay black filters over the top of it. And we finally accomplished it. Not an easy feat. It took 2 years to develop it. But if you're a purist and you love home theater in a dark room and you don't want to sacrifice any image quality, but you want the lights on, this is the only solution that exists at this point in time.
Okay. I'm not sure if I really truly understand how you did it.
Well, I can't tell you.
I heard the word. Okay, you can't tell me. I'm like, okay, I heard words, but I'm not sure if I understand the science.
So I'll make it real simple. 90% ambient light rejection, just like black diamond.
And before we were at 85, right?
Approximately 90 on 0.8.
Okay.
That was minimal, of what we did there. We're rejecting light from the top and the bottom. We're not rejecting light from the sides. So that's the only reason you would still do the traditional black diamond is if you have a bank of windows on the side.
Or sconces.
Yeah, well, sconces, those are controllable though.
Yeah.
I still think this would probably be the choice overall. But black diamond, if you've got a wall, bank of windows on the side, but we are rejecting ambient light from the top and the bottom significantly. And the thing I love the most is from a color neutrality standpoint, when you start with a white reflector, you can control color neutrality and make everything super, super linear and standardized. So
that's the secret.
The picture quality is true magic. Whether you have a completely dark dedicated room and occasionally want to use lights, or you have any ambient light at all, this is literally the choice I would go with.
Well, this is our most frequently requested system. It's very rare that people want to sit in the dark, right? We sell a ton of, basically they're like family systems, right? Where they can be gamed on, they can watch Netflix on it, they can watch sports on it. And if you're watching sports with the boys, you don't want to really be chilling in the dark.
Exactly.
So we get a lot of that. And it's very exciting to see that you're taking things to the next level, just continuing to improve. I'm really grateful that
one more
came
thing.
on. Oh, you got more?
Just one more thing.
Okay, tell me more.
Dude, the LED light kit is insane now. It's all built-in flush mount.
You guys have
got
always
all the way around it.
Like a
IP
diffuser?
lighting or IR, whatever you want. Yep, diffuser. So it literally, when you see this thing from the side, it's completely finished, looks completely clean. So,
you're
gonna love it.
Oh yeah. Well, you guys already did a good job before of pre-installing the controller and the power supply and everything on it, but now you're really taking it over the top.
Creme de la creme. I mean, we wanted it to look as cool as the TV, right? But bigger.
Imagine like if they didn't put that diffuser on there, you can, if you look really closely, you can see the individual LEDs. You're just, again, perfecting your product. I love it.
Amen. Well, hey, your
Thank you
feedback
so much.
is resonating in our minds. We execute.
All right, big thanks, Ryan, for having us out to your booth here today. Ryan is just a wizard. I mean, when it comes to projection, I have personally been obsessed with SI for years and years, and I have it in my own home cinema, my own home theater right now with an ultra short throw setup. So definitely a fan. I love these guys, and I hope you guys found some inspiration as to something that you could do in your own home. We're always pushing the limits here at Dream Media, looking for the best of the best products, and SI delivered today with this new ALR screen that is industry leading. If you'd like to learn more about this product or anything home theater, audio, video related, reach out today for your free video consultation, or you can shop on our online store. Dream Media is nationwide, and we'd love the opportunity to earn your business. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and found it informative and helping you make a buying decision. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Until next time, this is Zach, and I was out here with Ryan from SI. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a blessed week.